it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. I received my loaded envelope from Mrs. V and I can't wait to dive into it. Before I open on up Mrs. V's package, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to you. So here's the package, guys. She put on some really cute butterflies, another one over here. So I am going to be definitely pulling these guys off and saving them. But you know what? I'm going to do that after. My darn cat, one of them is a real pest. He started biting into the bag. Thank God I was home and heard him because I don't think anything got messed up. Let's see. Oh, this is funny. She sent me some extras and it's hysterical because this was the only one of these that I didn't pick up. So now I have all of them and I think they're super adorable. So yes. Thank you, free hugs, and I love it. Beautiful. She also sent me this screen print. This is Heidi Swap. I'm not really sure what this is, but I love playing around with new toys, so we're gonna definitely check this out sometime. So now for the good stuff. Here is my loaded envelope. Maybe you would call it a loaded bag instead. I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. This is gorgeous. Look, guys. Look how pretty this is. She blinged the whole thing out and put these really pretty rosettes on here. She hung this cute little keychain. I got one of these, but I don't have this one. So this is perfect because my pocketbook right now is pink. This will hang perfectly off there. She sent me some of these little bracelets, which I think are adorable because I love the metal to reuse. This is a sweet little card, very sweet. And now we're gonna see what's inside here. All right, so I don't wanna mess this up, so I'm just trying to cut where the tape is. So this is adorable. Put that aside. She sent me some cute seashells. I love the beach. I love the sea. And this is great. I love it. I will definitely use that to do something with. And this is a little thing, a little piece of paper here, and it says bloom. She sent me these really cute tags. These are very cute for birthday. These are some really pretty papers that I don't have any foiled paper, so this is wonderful. This is pretty. I love that color. And lots of little samples of paper, which is great for pocket letters and journaling. So I love to get paper that I don't have. Here's another tag. Some more foiled paper. This is really pretty. I don't know if they're all blue inside or multiple colors. Let's check it out. Oh, so this one has a whole bunch of colors in here. Ooh, these are great. These will be really great to use with the Cricut and cut out some foiled die cuts, because I don't have any of that. Oh, here's a super cute luggage tag, and I've always seen them, and I've never gotten one, so now I have one, and I'll be putting this on my bag, because I'm definitely planning a trip this summer. So yeah, thank you for that. Bling, I always need bling. My favorite color is purple. I don't have any purple bling, and you always need more, so this was lovely. Oh, this is cute. This is for a little gift card, so that's perfect. Definitely gonna use that. And she sent me some bookmarks, and this is also perfect for your planner, for journaling, or to give away. Next, she sent me these plushie stickers, and look how cute these are. These are cute stickers, guys, and they're puffy. I like them. She sent me some more like that. Really cute Western type style stickers. And then she sent me some Heidi Swap stickers for your planner, and this is great. I love doing my planner on up. So yeah, this was my loaded envelope or bag. I'm not sure, I think it is just a bag. She made it out of a brown bag, and I think this is so super creative. That's why I love doing swaps like this, because we did completely different ideas, and I never thought to do this with a brown bag, and it's fabulous. Thank you so much, Mrs. V. I appreciate all the effort you put into this project and all the goodies you stuffed it up with. I absolutely adore it. That's it for today. Just wanted to jump on here and show you guys what Mrs. V sent me. You guys must go by her channel. Hope you liked it. And if you haven't seen the loaded envelope I made for her, I'm gonna link it above and below. So don't forget, guys, give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.